नमस्ते बिटियाओं, खुश रहो बिटियाओं। आई जेवियन डॉक्टर बीना दीवान, डायरेक्टर फैकल्टी ऑफ लॉ एंड गवर्नेंस ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी। सो वेलकम ऑल जेवियन। आप सभी बिटियाओं को लगा कि मैडम ने जेवियन वर्ड क्यों लगाया, तो बेटे आज मैं आपको बताऊं, हम आज से आप सभी बिटियाएं हमारे परिवार की सदस्य हो गई। आई मीन टू से ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी के मेंबर हो गए आप सभी लोग आज से। और जो इस परिवार का सदस्य बन जाता है उसके आगे जेबीएन शब्द जुड़ जाता है। सो लेट वी स्टार्ट फर्स्ट सेशन ऑफ ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम। आई विल एक्सप्लोर द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर ऑफ फैकल्टी ऑफ लॉ एंड गवर्नेंस।
यत्र नार्यस्तु पूज्यन्ते रमन्ते तत्र देवता। Welcome to academic session 2020-21. Namaste students. Welcome to the session 2020-21. I hope you all are fit and fine. We know due to COVID-19 pandemic, we are conducting online induction session. You must take advantage of this opportunity. Although it's difficult time, but due to online classes, it is easy to make connection with you all. Our university has best infrastructure and faculty. I am counting on you to make this year best year at JVW Jaipur. We are here to support your every step of the way. Now it's time to give you brief introduction of your university. Faculty of Law and Governance. Our university founded in 2008. JV is vibrant research-led women university, having perfect and safe environment to live and study, having top-class academic environment. JV provides an ideal foundation for your personal and professional development. The Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur has been established and incorporated under the Act 17 of 2008, passed by Rajasthan State Legislature and notified by the government of Rajasthan through its official gazette. Vision of the university: 7 key dimensions, that is identification, analysis, plannings, goal, execution, outcome, feedback and upgradation in responsibilities for providing non-addictive, disciplined, human interactive, skilled and socially responsible women to the nation. The mission of university to provide education for community development leading to women empowerment. The resolution of the university to award degree to the students who have passed university mission course like Women's Right and Law, Self-Defense, Help Aid, Yoga, Meditation, Gender Sensitization and My Behavior Ethics and University Compulsory Course UCC in the form of University Nation Building and Community Development Program NBCD certificate along with required academic credits. Core values: our university creates the foundation of our organization, reflecting our vision and mission. Education excellence leading to women empowerment, women education leading to community development, education leading to recognition of women in versatile fields, care like mother, watch like father, and security like home. Disciplined, non-addictive, human interactive, social responsible, and skilled women to the nation. Faculty of Law and Governance have 2 departments. discipline law, and discipline management and commerce. I request JVN Nehal Mittal Madam to continue this session.
Hello students, welcome. Let's start with programs offered. There is UG program, there is PG program and there is research program. In UG program, we have BA LLB, BCom LLB, BBA LLB, LLB, BCom Pass, BCom Honors and BBA. In PG program, we have LLM, we have MBA, HA and HC, we have MBA, FM and BNF, we have MBA, HR. In research program, we have PhD in law, PhD in management, PhD in commerce. Course details. So employability, entrepreneurship, skills based courses, university compulsory courses are environmental science and disaster management, cyber security, language proficiency, English communication or Sanskrit or Hindi, fundamental of computer. Elective course system program. There is MBA FM or BNF, there is MBA HR, there is MBA HA and HC, there is MBA FD or ITM. Recognition for activities or resources. Rajasthan State Women Commission. University Chair, University Mother Teresa Chair, Chair Professor, Professor Dr. Rajiv Khanna. Academic resources. Lecture halls. We have 4 lecture halls, ICT based, 18 classrooms, ICT based, 1 seminar hall, 1 Kanun Manch, 1 GD room, that is the group discussion room, 2 moot court rooms, 1 computer lab, 1 legal aid center and library. Library details. So total books in the library are 463. E-rare books are 10, physical journal are 6, physical rare books are 10, e-book are 115, e-journals are there of Delnet, Manupatra, SCC Online, e-Pathshala, Nimbus, LibriVox, National Digital Library. Academic resource links are there, video lectures are there, live lectures are there, magazines, newspapers and various journals are there. Collaboration. So the collaboration is with the Pink City Law College Jaipur, Rajdhani Law College Jaipur, Holistic Professionals Jaipur, Sagar Enterprises Jaipur, Macbin Management Consultancy Private Limited Jaipur, Surinder Singh Parihar and Associates Sambhar Jaipur, Prahalad Sahe Raj and Associates Jaipur. Collaborative activities that are conducted are faculty exchange program with Rajdhani Law College, faculty exchange program with Pink City Law College Jaipur and training with Sagar Enterprises Jaipur. Industrial linkage or internship. So This happens in the law firms, senior advocates under the senior advocates, civil judge, municipal magistrate under the district and the session court, under the high courts, supreme courts, various companies, firms, industries, and hospitals. Doctoral and research associates. From host institution there are 39, from other institution there are 2. Academic exposure. So we have value added courses, university mission course. In the value added course, government portfolio is there, corporate portfolio is there, entrepreneur portfolio is there. In the government portfolio, classes are provided to the students for career objectives. In the corporate portfolio, we provide knowledge regarding firms and companies. In the entrepreneur portfolio, we provide knowledge for starting up of business or startups. Now for the university mission course, there is a women rights and law, there is self defense and help aid, there is yoga and meditation. In women rights and law, this course aims at educating students about legal rights and laws of women to increase the role of women in the society. In the self defense and help aid, the course aims to provide the students with self defense and help aid to make them stronger. In yoga and meditation, the aim of the course is to make the students live a healthy and a peaceful life. Now the community development activities, that is the CDA. So CDA is a community development activity which is regulated according to the discipline of the courses. Purpose of these activities are to aware our society to the present issues and also connect the students with the motive of social welfare. In this CDA, students visit to the villages and town and they collect data that are related to their activities. Also, they interact with the people and make them aware to the issues and perform tasks like Nukkad Natak, Manch Past with banner, legal aid camp, door to door talk. There is legal awareness, there are a lot of activities, there is legal aid in it, there is e-bazaar, e-yogacharya, e-food gyan portal promotion, and there is mentorship. Extracurricular activities. So there are sports activity, there are social activity, award activity, grants activity, and cultural activity. Co-curricular activities. In this, we conduct moot court exercises and yearly moot court competition, Constitution Day celebration, Management Day celebration, court visit and legal aid, group discussion, debate competitions, mock trials, guest lectures, and workshop. Internships are yearly. There are industrial visit for all the programs. There are paper publication, conference or symposium. Industrial training happens for BBA or BCom honors or MBA for 60 days. Certified training takes place that is provided in-house 40 hours with academics. Awards. So we have achieved teacher awards that are 15, publications are 105, award for innovation are 5, patent filed 1, student continuous performance evaluation system 2017. Activities from 2018 to 2020. Orientation training workshop took place on 20th September 2018. The topic in this orientation was legal research. Mr. Chetan Singh Gill, Manager Learning and Development, and Mr. Sachidanand Prarik, Senior Executive Rajasthan, were the speaker for the same. On 26 September 2018, there was a guest lecture which took place. The topic for this guest lecture was Moot Court Practice and Legal Profession. The speaker was retired Justice Uday Chand Bharupal from Rajasthan High Judiciary Services. From 25th April to 27th April 2019, a national conference took place on emerging trends in employee welfare and labor dispute management. CDA activity legal aid. So a legal aid camp visit at Sambhar Lake on 26 September 2018 took place, in which the visitors were Justice V.S. Sirandhana, Rajasthan High Court Jaipur, Mohammad Rafiq, Executive Chairman, State Legal Services Authority, Jaipur. So by conducting this CDA activity, we provided legal help in the nearby rural areas. We made people aware of their own legal rights, and there was awareness spread regarding the free legal aid which is provided by the Faculty of Law and Governance and the budding lawyers of JVWU. Celebration of Women's Day on March 8, 2019. As a women university, we know the importance of immortal power of womanhood. So therefore, we here celebrated Women's Day acknowledging the same. With our team leader, High Court Justice Ma'am Shabina, and dignitaries from Rajasthan High Court Jaipur, and Chairman Ma'am and her team. National Moot Court competition took place on April 13th and 14th in 2019. The CDA activity had a Lok Adalat visit at Sambhar Lake on 8 September 2018. Collaborative activity conducted. There was a corporate training conducted on effective communication skills. Sagar Enterprises by JVN Professor Dr. R.K. Patni and JVN Professor Dr. Mini Amit Aravatia. There was a consultancy conducted on sexual conduct at workplace. Sagar Enterprises by JVN Professor Dr. R.K. Patni and JVN Professor Dr. Beena Diwan. The ongoing research projects are: Patent one is Jyoti Diggi Legal Advisor, and the startup is Students Academic Self-Regulatory Movement. Seed money projects. Property disputes in village, a company legal program by JVN Professor Dr. R.K. Patni. Dynamics of extradition laws, a socio-legal study, JVN Professor Dr. R.K. Patni. Absconding women, a socio-legal case study by JVN Anupam Sinha. A study to propose central law on anti-bagging in India, JVN Professor Dr. R.K. Patni. Compensatory claim in road accident by JVN Professor Dr. Beena Devan. Digital entrepreneurship in respect to women entrepreneurs in India by JVN Dr. Mini Amit Aravatia. SWOC analysis. This stands for strength, weakness, opportunity, and challenge. In strength, the awareness about legal rights of women, practical exposure, employability. In weakness, there is legal language. In opportunity, there is international moot court, financial assistance is provided. In challenge, there is increased rural area students, increased students in research field. Thank you so much, students, and have a great year ahead.